Hi guys, welcome back to the fifth part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 15. So we were doing the handwritten digits recognition. So let us continue the program. So in this, let us see the problem statement. So in this, what we have to do is first load a data set. Next, flatten the images, whatever we had done for the dog versus cat classification. We have to reshape that into 8 cross 8 image into a 1D vector of 64 features. We have to split the data set for train and test, scale each feature, that is standardize it, and then that's it in this program. All right, so let's see the code. So first we have a function called load data. In this, basically we are loading the data set with the digits and digit images and digit targets as x and y respectively. Now we have a function called flatten images. So the images are in 2D as you know, that is 8 cross 8. Now we have to basically reduce that into 1D array. So how do we do that? So we take the number of samples and then we reshape it into, that is flatten it into 1D array of 64 features. Instead of 8 cross 8, it has 64 features of 1D array. All right. Now we have a function split data. In this, test size is 0.2, that is 20% of the data set is used for testing and 80% is used for training. Random set is 42. So basically, whatever data is being used for training, that keeps shuffling, but it remains the same. The training and testing doesn't shuffle. Only in the training it keeps shuffling. So that is to maintain randomness. So then we return x train, y test, y train, and y test. So now we have a function scale feature. So this is again used to standardize the all the inputs. That is, we are using the standard scaler. So we first we first fit the model into the train data, and then we apply the same whatever we get the values from there to the test. We don't directly fit the test data. So then we are basically standardizing this. That is mean equal to 0 and variance equal to 1. So this, after this also done, we have the main function now. This for simple data pre-processing. So here we are uploading the data set, then we flatten the data, then we split the data into train and test, then we scale the features. So everything was done here. This is just a glimpse of that, whatever was done. Now, the main thing here is basically, here you can see we used import pickle. So whatever the model we have here, we are opening the file with write binary mode, and then we are dumping using pickle.dump. We are dumping all the model, we are saving the model so we can directly use it in the for further use. And then while printing, we say testing data shape is this much, training data set is this much, scale data and scaler saved as scale data.pkl. Now let me run the program. Okay, you can see total number of training data is 1437 and total number of testing data is 360. So with 64 features each. So let me submit the program now. So all the test cases have been passed, and you can see here. If you have any doubts, then let me know in the comments below. And we have one more part in this Weekend Dev Challenge, which I'll be doing in the next video. And thank you for watching.